Testing, 1, 2. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad, and today I'm going to be putting this 80-watt power inverter in the dash of my pickup truck. Now this is going to go a lot easier than you think it might be. So this is just the 80-watt continuous Harbor Freight little power inverter. I just use this for like charging camera batteries and stuff, so I'm going to show you how I installed it in the dash of my truck. It's installed. Wrap the cord around, plug it in. I don't think you'll see the little light. The little light comes on, and charges my camera batteries. Alright, so like I know this isn't a real how to install an inverter in your truck, but I just thought it was cool that most of these trucks have this little pocket and that this little inverter fits right in. So if you've got like little camera batteries or just little stuff you need to charge, this is a great way to keep it out of your way. Alright, that's it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.